Well, hey, this is Rosa, RCG Creations. We're making chili kit from Carol Shelby's Fix It Hot or Mild. It makes 2 pounds. We're triple batching this. Hubby likes it spicy, so this is going to be his chili because I don't do spicy. So I've already done everything. Actually, hubby went ahead and cooked the ground beef, drained it, and then you add 1 8-ounce tomato sauce, 2 cups of water, salt, which is optional, which I don't do. You brown the 2 pounds of ground beef in a large skillet, drain it, add the tomato sauce, the water, and the spice packet. And here is, take it out of the trash. Here is the spice packet. Let me put this down so you can see better. And it's got some kick. And Rosa doesn't do spicy no more, but hubby does. So I went ahead and added all 3 packets because he likes it. Now if you wanted to, it also comes with this Masa Packets. And as you can see, there's 3 of them right there. And if you want it a little bit thicker, you would add them, let's see. I just saw where it said to do it. Okay, for a thicker chili, you mix the masa flour with 1/3 cup of water, stir it, and then you let it simmer for 5 more minutes. So, but pretty much this is an easy way to make chili because you just put all the ingredients in there, stir it really well, and then you cover it and you let it simmer for 15 minutes, and then you're done. That's it, you're done. So, you can't get any easier than that. But I will tell you, if you're new to this type of chili, just do like half of 1 box. Because this is, I mean, it really does have a kick. And look, there's the gauge when you fix it hot versus fix it mild. And so, and I used to do a lot of hot, but I don't do it anymore. I'm getting too old for it. So anyway, I'll bring you back because I am going to be pressure canning whatever hubby doesn't eat tonight, or if he wants to take it for lunch for tomorrow, I'm going to be pressure canning the rest of that. So that'll be the next phase. Okay, we'll be back. Well, I'm back. Hubby doctored the chili. He added some of his own spices because he wanted to spice it up a little bit. But let me show you. See, it's a lot thicker. So adding that masa really helped a lot. And don't forget, when you're doing these kit mixes, like the chili part mix, that chili packet that came with the mix, don't feel like you have to use the entire thing. If it's your first time using it, only use like half of it. Because a lot of these spices, some people like a lot of their spices and some people don't. So try it, especially if it's your first one. Just do like half the spice packet. Now the little packet, and I forgot to show you. Oh yeah, let me go find it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is the little spice packet. That bigger one is the chili mix. But this is the cayenne pepper. This is just cayenne. Hubby doesn't like a lot of this cayenne flavor. He likes different spices. So use as much as you want. You know, I would highly recommend just try it exactly the way the box is. See if you like it. If you don't like it, then tweak it the next time you buy it. But this is a great, easy way to make a quick chili. And I'm going to pressure can these, so we're going to put them in the little quart-sized jars, the pint-sized jars. So they're just enough for 1 meal and nothing extra. And then you're all set and good to go. All you got to do is open up the jar, pour it in a bowl, heat it up, and you're done. That's it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and fill up all these jars. Don't forget, work with clean table, clean utensils, clean jars, clean lids. My jars are simmering on the stove in boiling hot water because I'm going to be using my tattlers today. And then you'll be all set and good to go. So I'll bring you back in the next phase. Okay, here's my lid. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 pint jars. I use my tattlers on there. And then I wiped it all down with a wet paper towel dipped in vinegar. So you add your excess vinegar into your pot of water. Oops, sorry, I'm out of focus. Sorry about that. And that reason is typically you're going to get some kind of a seepage of some kind. That's just part of canning. Not in everything, but in a lot of things, especially stuff with tomatoes. Okay, so that's going to help get all that white fuzzy stuff from the water off the jars, so when you take them out and the next day when you rinse them off, it won't be so cloudy and messy on the outside of the jars. It's not required, it's just something that most canners do from what I can read. So now hubby's going to help me with the lid. We'll put the lid on it and we're going to process this for 90 minutes. And then we'll take them out of the canner, let them sit overnight. Oh, as soon as they come out of the canner, because these are tattlers, I will be tightening them ASAP as soon as they get out and on the cloth. Because with tattlers, check my other video. I did a video on how to do tattlers. But with the tattlers, anyway, you have to tighten the seal as soon as it comes out of the canner. Okay, so don't take them all out and then tighten them. Take one at a time. Take one jar out. Tighten it. Make sure you use a towel because it's going to be, jars and lids are going to be very hot. Rings are going to be very hot. So tighten them up as tight as you can get them and then leave them on a cloth so they can naturally cool at least 12 to 24 hours. We'll bring you back at the next phase, okay? Okay, here's the canner. It's emptied. You can see there's a little color. I don't know if you could see that very well in the video, but there's a little residue from residual leakage, which is common. And let me take you. Here are the 6 completed jars. I've tightened each one. So they're tight. They're going to sit there until tomorrow night when I get home from work. Then I'm going to take their lids, the rings off. Wipe all the outside of all the jars. That along with my brownies and my cake mix. And label them. Put them away. And I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. We catch you in the next video. Don't forget it. Like, comment, and share. Bye-bye. I'm giving you a taste test. This is the last batch of chili, which was made, and I had pressure canned black beans and pinto beans mixed together, and I did them separately because you never know when you want beans and when you don't want beans. And some people like beans with chili. Hubby and I love beans with chili, and some people don't, but I wanted to have some just in case. And mine has onions and bell pepper. Hubby don't like that in him, so this has got veggies with the chili, and I just took it out of the jars. In fact, hold on, there's the leftover. Since I only used half the jar of chili and then the other jar, half a jar for the beans, this is my mixture, so this is going to be for my lunch tour tomorrow. But I wanted to show you, here is my veggie chili that's in the sink. I got to wash my dishes. And here's the other pint jar that hubby used when he made his chili today. And anyway, so I just wanted to let you know this is what I used for my leftover chili. So we do eat what I pressure can, which is the whole point of doing it. But thank you so much. We catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.